Welcome back. In this video, you'll witness 𝐼𝐴𝐵𝐵 turn a dilapidated garage into a fully functional workshop. Renovating the garage involves a series of intricate steps using various construction techniques and materials. An inspection of the floor assesses existing cracks, uneven spots, and areas needing repair. Heavy-duty jackhammers are used to break apart thick concrete sections, simplifying the process. For more sensitive zones, sledgehammers are used to chip away the concrete by hand. Pry bars and shovels assist in removing the broken concrete debris efficiently. Once all broken materials are cleared from the floor, attention shifts to inspecting the garage roof. The outdated plumbing has already been dismantled, clearing the way for the new system setup. Durable, modern materials like PVC or PX are chosen for their flexibility and strength. Pipe segments are measured precisely and cut according to the new plumbing layout. Each pipe is connected using special fittings that lock securely and prevent leaks. Piping is routed through designated channels to ensure a snug and proper installation. All connections to fixtures are made, completing the core of the plumbing network. Final tweaks are done to align fittings and ensure the overall setup is correct. A full check is performed on the plumbing to detect leaks or weak points. Ventilation is added to reduce condensation, mold growth, and harmful fumes. Cutting tools are used to create openings in the ceiling and walls for vent placement. Foam boards are added along the lower walls and floor to boost thermal insulation. Vents and fans are mounted tightly, with weather sealing applied for extra protection. Insulation helps stabilize the garage's temperature, improving energy efficiency. A fresh concrete mixture is poured over the foam layer to form a solid base. The surface is spread and leveled evenly to ensure long-lasting durability. Once set, insulation continues along the remaining wall surfaces. Foam panels are fixed to the wall studs, offering complete vertical coverage. New wall frames are built with wooden studs to support the final wall structure. The wooden studs are positioned with precision to create a stable and reliable wall frame. Oriented strand boards, OSB, are trimmed to size and secured to the studs to strengthen the wall system. Every OSB panel is tightly fixed to the wood frame, providing a firm base and full wall coverage. A functional shelf is assembled midway through the build, using both wood and OSB for support. Designed to organize tools and supplies, the shelf adds efficient storage to the space. Remaining wall areas are finished with OSB panels, completing the enclosure and enhancing durability. Small corrections are made to verify all structures are properly aligned and tightly secured. Diesel heaters are compact units used to warm confined spaces like garages by utilizing diesel fuel. The device is generally installed on the wall, with correct venting for fresh air intake and exhaust flow. Fuel hoses run from the diesel container to the heater, while electrical wiring powers the control unit. After connecting everything, a test run ensures the unit heats the garage effectively and reliably. The doorway frame is built from solid timber to ensure strength and a long-lasting hold. One side of the frame is clad in OSB sheets, increasing the door's overall resilience. Insulation is applied next, then the opposite side is covered to complete the door structure. This final wall section is reinforced, sealing the area and boosting thermal efficiency. Gypsum drywall is being mounted to deliver a clean and smooth surface for interior finishing. Panels are driven in with screws to ensure tight joints and minimize surface gaps. Insulating the ceiling is key for retaining consistent temperature throughout the garage. This step also shields sensitive equipment from damage caused by heat or cold extremes. Electric systems are now being finalized, ensuring everything meets building codes and safety rules. Meeting these standards helps avoid issues like shorts, overheating, or damage to connected tools. A secure garage handle is installed, making the door easier to use and increasing practicality. A hatch is being framed into the floor, allowing access to the space beneath the surface. Measurements are double-checked to guarantee the hatch fits cleanly within the floor plan. A radiant heating system is laid under the concrete slab, adding comfort and warming efficiency. Underfloor heating components are installed beneath the surface, delivering heat evenly from the base up. This technique is more energy efficient than conventional air systems, leading to reduced utility costs. Encasing the heating components in concrete or leveling compounds shields them from potential wear and tear. The system links to a thermostat, allowing precise control over the temperature in the room. Garage renovations demand thoughtful preparation and can become lengthy tasks for property owners. Using resilient building materials improves the garage's long-term performance and supports daily use. Smart organization options like cabinets and racks help manage space and reduce mess. Successfully transforming a garage can boost property value and offer flexible usage options. Once the second insulation layer is in place, electrical work on the ceiling is finalized. Structural integrity is enhanced by installing OSB panels across the entire ceiling surface. Every OSB sheet is accurately measured and firmly mounted to the ceiling structure. Gypsum boards are then layered over the OSB to provide a clean, even ceiling finish. Each gypsum panel is trimmed to accommodate light fixtures or other ceiling elements. They're then secured tightly with screws to prevent movement or sagging over time. With this stage completed, the ceiling is prepped for detailed finishing work. To smooth the seams between panels, joint compound is applied to blend the surface. Plaster is now being spread across the wall to refine texture and elevate the room's look. An electric putty polishing tool is in use, helping to create a spotless final appearance. Walls and ceilings are coated with a quality primer, setting the stage for final paint layers. Priming seals the surface, promoting better paint adhesion and protecting against temperature shifts. Effective lighting increases safety and makes the garage feel more welcoming and usable. The selected lighting types affect both visual appeal and how the space functions daily. LED options bring brightness, cost savings, and extended service life for multiple purposes. Powerful high bay LEDs provide wide-spanning light that covers the entire work area. Installation is planned to optimize light output and blend with the garage's finished design. Gray paint gives the garage a modern, refined look, making it an ideal space for creative work. The sleek wall finish brings a sense of style and professionalism, resembling a premium workspace. Using bold color tones reflects current design trends and helps the space stand out visually. Careful attention is given to the electrical system to ensure both functionality and safety. Several electronic components are being integrated, requiring a well-organized electrical plan. Protective cable channels are installed to keep the wires neat and shielded from damage. All wires are threaded through these channels to minimize clutter and enhance protection. Routine inspections are performed to verify the stability and integrity of each connection. Each wire is labeled clearly to make future adjustments or repairs easier to manage. Grounding procedures are implemented to reduce the risk of shocks and electrical failure. Throughout the process, strict safety guidelines are maintained to protect both equipment and users. The upgraded garage demonstrates a dramatic change, proving how smart renovations elevate spaces. Expert craftsmanship improves not just the utility, but also the aesthetic value of the garage.